In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start with a template here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So you already have your app open and you want to start a new spreadsheet. All you have to do is to tap on the plus sign icon at the bottom right. And you'll have three options to choose from. You can start with a template, with a new Excel file, or a new Sheets file. Let's choose template at the top. And once you've tapped on it, here are your templates options that you can choose from. We have different categories. We have the personal, we have the work, we have project management, and finally education. Now, depending on what you want or what you need for your spreadsheet, once you've chosen the one that you like, just tap on it and it will create that spreadsheet with the said template. And here is our template ready for you to just edit. What makes templates great is they make it easy for you to just create your own spreadsheet without doing all the formatting and the formulas. All you have to do now is to just enter the data that you need for each of the tables or each of the data sets. And again, if you want to customize some of these, for example, the color schemes, you can do so by just formatting those cells. Basically, these are just backgrounds that you can edit, and also for things that you just want to delete, all you have to do is to tap on it until these options appear. And for entering your text, if you want to edit that cell, all you have to do is to double tap on it and you'll be able to edit that text within your formula bar. And there you have it. And I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks on how to edit your templates in a future video, so stay tuned and subscribe for that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.